I don't know. After I moved from C++ to C#, it felt like a consistent and very nice expressive language. It felt very natural as a C++ developer. And I've seen .NET actually just getting better every year. New languages, new frameworks, more cross-platform. And I felt natural there. It's the same with TypeScript. It has kind of the same thing. So I prefer TypeScript over JavaScript, for instance. Even though, yeah, it's just a language. Shouldn't really matter, but yeah. And I love the community. To be honest, if I look back at maybe 10 years ago when we had this alt.NET thing, Microsoft was notorious for just pushing weird wizards and pushing in a certain direction. But these days, I mean, I can't think of anything I don't like about .NET. It's just people are open, we have lots of opportunities to change things, patterns have been adopted, lots of options to choose how you design your systems. I am generally no, there's nothing to hate about it. Is probably this morning while I was fixing something in my open source project, FluentAssertions. I don't create bugs, but if I do one, no. Actually, at my project, I refactored a very complicated nested algorithm into the state pattern, one of the first times I actually did it, and I missed something. So there was a log statement that kept popping up over time, and I fixed it using a unit test and then fixing the implementation. I feel very welcome in Romania. This is the first time I've been in Romania, but up to now it has been just awesome. I mean, and we had luck with the weather, everything is very fine. Yeah, it's completely different than I expected for some reason. I've been in Ukraine, which was like lots of poor people. In Romania, I didn't see that, but same thing in Lithuania, I didn't see that. There's a lot of green, I noticed, and people speak English really well, also something noticeable. But there's nothing not to like. I like the shopping malls, everything looks very nice here. And people are friendly, at least the ones I talk to, of course, yes, yeah. Yas is actually beautiful. I didn't know a lot about Romania or Iași. And as a speaker, you know, we got a city tour, which was pretty impressive. Also to hear a lot about the history of the city and like how the communism and all this stuff happened and the churches and all the stories around that. I'm not really a cultural person, but I was still really impressed by the stories. And you really like the big, I don't know what it is, the cultural city or the cultural building. Yeah, I really enjoyed it now. The audience was, to my positive, well, not a surprise, but they have been warned that I should not expect too much interaction. But to my very positive surprise, there was a lot of interaction. Usually people don't laugh about my jokes because they're not funny, but today a lot of people laughed, yeah. It's an interesting thing that you mentioned that. Because all the speakers that are from the Netherlands spoke about this today. We were surprised that the balance between men and women is so different from the rest of Europe. I mean, in general, I would say if there's 5% of the developer or the audience is female, that's already a lot. But here's like almost like completely normal balance between women and men. That really positively surprised me. Yeah, all of us are surprised about that, which is a good thing. Yeah. Because it's a tough topic on some of the conferences about diversity and yeah.